Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday morning. I'm at the shop literally just turning everything off because I'm going to do my podcast with John Saunders. So I like a quiet shop. Turn that guy off. Here we go. Getting quieter. What's still on? Something's still on. Air compressor. This morning I was doing my workout and I was watching Jay Pierson's speech that he did at the mHub event a month or two ago. John Saunders put on this amazing event, and I gave a speech, about 45-minute speech. Then Jay Pierson gave a 45-minute speech. He just put up his video, and I want you guys to watch it. He did a really cool edit on it, put a bunch of old pictures from when he was like trying to be a rock star and when he was starting his business. It's just an amazing story about his entrepreneurship journey and the trials and tribulations and the struggles and the jokes and the laughter that got him to where he is today. He's a good friend. He's a mentor of mine and a lot of other people. He's huge on lean manufacturing, and he's one of those guys that I turn to for advice when I need a question answered. So I want you guys to go watch this video. It's really good, and yeah, that's all I got for you. Time for a little business and machining podcast with Saunders. All right, guys. Take care. Have a great day. Watch this video linked somewhere.